Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another amazing store, but today we are looking at something very specific at the store. This store is very popular, so let's go together and look at some Christmas decorations and kitchen gadgets at Kohls. This store is located at the Loop at Kissimmee in Florida. So let's go inside and see what they have. Here they have a lot of some perfumes, and they have some towels in the back. They have the bath accessories on this side. They have some candles here, as you can see. And this section is basically home decorations. So here I found these Christmas decorations, and they look very pretty, so I decided to share them with you. They have Yankee candles, which are my favorite, and they smell truly amazing. And you can see they have some wall decorations here. They have some mirrors, and they have this beautiful Christmas tree. And this whole section, they have Christmas decorations, home stuff for Christmas. They have cushions, they have table mats, table covers, and little ornaments for your Christmas tree. You can see how beautiful it looks. And they have all these little things for Christmas, and they have trees. They have little trees for your table also. They have these that frosties there too. And you can see that big Christmas tree, which looks absolutely beautiful. All the white and reds of Christmas are here, so I was getting a Christmas vibe from here. So I really wanted to share this with you. And you can see how amazing and how beautiful it looks. And they also have some of the crockeries and some kitchen stuff for your Christmas party. And you can see they have that gingerbread tray. It looked very pretty, and the one with the dog. And they had those little salt and pepper shakers for the Christmas as well. And here they have some more kitchen stuff for your Christmas with frosty on it. You can see how beautiful and how colorful they look. And they had some mugs in the back. They had table mats, and this on this side they have regular kitchen gadgets. They have tools for the kitchen. They had pans, and they had vacuum cleaners. They had every kind of pots and pans here. So it was quite good organized. So I decided to walk around and see what they have. So as I walked through here, I was looking at a lot of different brands of pots and pans and saucepans. And you can see they have Cuisine Art. They had Calphalon. They have all the good brands. And one thing that I noticed, in terms of electronics, they have a lot of Ninja stuff. So they had Ninja Foodie, they had Ninja Deluxe, they had Ninja Blender, they had, I will show you a lot of them. You see Ninja Foodies here, and a wall in the back. They have all the vacuum and the floor cleaners over there, and they have some specialty pots here, and it goes all the way to the back. So you can see this wall is dedicated to Bissell, and this one is the back is dedicated to Shark. They had some igloo coolers as well, and they have Ninja Foodie here. They have Ninja Foodie Deluxe over there. This one is also Ninja Blender, and they had Ninja Creamy. They have a coffee maker by Ninja. So they had a lot of Ninja stuff. They had Cuisine Art electronics as well. They had Keurig, they had Osler. They also have the KitchenAid mixers as here as well. So they have a lot of electronics here, and it's very well organized. So if you get a chance to visit Kohls, you will see. And right across from the kitchen section, they had men's shoe section, and the men clothing was on the other side. And they also had the luggage section here. And they had personal care section right next to the kitchen section. So they also have NutriBullet, and like I said, they have KitchenAid mixers here as well. They have Hamilton Beach. So they have a very big, nice, well organized kitchen and home decoration section. And on this side they have men's shoes. So they have Nike, they have Adidas, they have Under Armours, all the different brands of shoes they have here. And it was quite nicely organized, and there were not many people there. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you want to watch more videos. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.